Hello. Before starting our topic, let me give a situation. Imagine you have just 30 minutes. Either you can study for your exam or just playing a game. What would you choose? Think about it. So, now in economics, everything you choose, you have to give up the other thing so that the next best alternative becomes opportunity cost. So today we will discuss about opportunity cost. In simple words, in a layman, opportunity cost is the next best alternative that you give up to make that decision. Opportunity cost is the next best alternative that you give up to make the decision. For example, you have an option. You can travel by a taxi or book a train. What would you choose? Suppose you choose taxi ride. Then the train journey that you leave becomes your opportunity cost. Now, suppose you spend rupees 500 on ordering food. What will be the opportunity cost of that rupees 500? What? Maybe you save that money or buying something else. So that saving 500 rupees or buying something else become your opportunity cost. So I think you understand that opportunity cost is always the next best alternative that you leave to make the decision. One thing remember, opportunity cost is always that you give up. It's not what you choose. It is always what you give up to make the decision. This is very important concept in economics to making better decision making because it tells us that every choice has a trade-off. That's it. I hope you understand the topic opportunity cost. Have you any question? Thank you.